Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to blur video background in CapCut.
Okay, let's go.
First, import your footage. Add to timeline. Again, add the same footage on the top. Go to video and click remove background, auto removal. Go to effect and add a blur effect. And also you can adjust the background color. Go to adjust. Finally, go to export and export the video.
Okay, let's go.
Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.